wanted to do a house tour in my new townhouse in Charlotte, and I'm standing at the front door and I'm going to turn the camera around and show you my whole place starting from floor one. Okay, so that's the reflection of me. Hello. Right now I am at the front door, and right to my left is a coat closet, and that's where we keep our shoes. And in here is a very cute little bathroom that I want to do so much with. It's a powder room. I want to change the wallpaper, maybe some molding. The hallway is also going to need some work, but it's beautiful. I like that. There's tile, which is really easy to clean up. And right from the front door, you see the opening for the kitchen. And I really love that the kitchen is enclosed because it allows me to be able to be separate from the living space, and I'll be able to cook and even have a mess in here. And if I want to take a break and go out here and just relax, I can, and just, not even look at the mess for at least 20 minutes, So here we are in our kitchen. We have a little 30-inch fridge, which is enough for my son and I. We have the kitchen, which is painted blue. The paint is not great on these cabinets, so I'd like to retry. But I love the appliances. They're really good quality, and they have hardly been used. This is actually new. I need to take that off. And from the kitchen, you see the stairs, which spiral up and then they turn again when you get to the top. But before you head to the stairs, join me in the living room. There's my camera, ignore that. But here is my living room. Oh, I didn't even tell you what I love about the kitchen also, which is this little opening here, because you can kind of peek in without being too involved. You can see everything going on, and you can also kind of retreat. And so I kind of like having a little separate spot. So here we are, and it's work in progress, but this is all of the old stuff that I had in my old apartment, and I'm getting new rugs and figuring out some molding for the wall and a way to mount my television. And the coffee table is gonna have to go. And here's my little music area. I have my record player, candle, a mid-century lamp, and some dried lavenders and flowers, and a little ottoman with my Roomba plugged in down there. There's my records for the record player. Now this fireplace is the whole reason why I chose this place. I mean, it's just beautiful, it's grand, it's like over 8 feet wide. And the other reason why I chose this place is a screened-in patio, which I'll show you when it's daytime. But I wanted to do this video at night to kind of show you like the mood, the lighting, everything we've done so far. It's only been 2 months. I've painted the walls this sage green, installed this light for extra light down here. Then you go upstairs.